Hey besties! Today I'm here to share a quick tip that everybody's been requesting. How to use the brush saver from both the dip kit and the French kit. Let's get to this. Brush saver is bottle number 6 in our dip system. It's important to use whenever you notice product is building up on your brush or your brush is starting to stick together. To start, I'll grab my brush saver bottle and remove the brush. I like to wipe this with a lint-free wipe just to prevent me from making a mess. For this demo, I'll grab my top coat, remove the brush, and wipe it with a lint-free wipe. Then I'll just place it right into my brush saver, screw on the lid, and give it a good shake. I'll let it sit for about 15 minutes. I'll remove the brush and wipe it with the lint-free wipe again to keep the brush saver from contaminating my top coat. And that's it! It's that easy. We recommend following these steps with both top coat and base, that way you have longer use for these products. That's it for today. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to our channel and hit that bell to be notified when we post a quick tip just like this one. See you next time. Bye besties!